Come.
Звонкой пеленой наполнил.
Ain't no fucking come. Dick.
Прогремел,
Ain't no
распугал всех.
Really?
dick.
Я открыл
My ass.
и веселый
Master.
разметал все на столе. Глупый
That cops. What's the deal?
душой и унылой.
Today, I say to you that the challenge is real, they are serious, and they are many. They will not be easily met or in a short span of time. But know that Nico will be met. In reaffirming the greatness of our site, we understand that greatness is never given. Our journey has never been one of shortcuts. It has not been for the path, for the faint-hearted, or seek only the fleshly pleasures.
Fucking dick.
И веселье бурною, пилящую волной окатила, эй, вставай-ка,
Fucking coming.
вслед за мной, выходи
Suck dick.
и бегай хоть до самого утра. Посмотри, как носится и святая.
Rather, it has been the risk takers, the wasted genie, the creators of mad things. For us, they toiled in sweatshops, endured the lash of the spanking.
На лице это просто
Come.
а может
Master.
это я
Boy.
очистил все,
My ass.
похлюпав, вдруг размокло у меня.
Swallow come.
Чьем прочим
Ain't no
солнечным, некошенным, превратившись
dick.
Really,
полетела к неизведанным мирам.
Let's go. Why don't you get out of that leather stuff? I'll strip down into this and celebrate here in the rain. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Get out of that leather thing. Yeah, smart ass. Should be boss. Come on, let's go.
И представил,
Bad. Dungeon.
наводнился вдруг и веселый мир.
Smart ass.
Вышли все под
Come.
пели.
Do anal.
Черт возьми, позабыв про и опасность после, с осложнением. Люди
Fisting deep.
как салют встречали
Dick.
весенний.
Fucking dick.
time and time again, these men struggled and sacrificed so that we might live better. We remain the most powerful site on the internet. And minds are no less inventive. Services are no less needed. That they were last week or yesterday or the day before the day after tomorrow. Starting today, we must pull up our pants, dust ourselves off, and begin again the work of remaking Nico Goga.
I love that.